Dumating na yung order ko na karayom. 0.16 by 15. Yan. 500 piraso siya. Pinakamaliit pala to. Next, bibilihin ko yung medyo mahaba konti. 0.16. 0.16. Kay JJM to eh. JAJM. May letter pa siya. Okay. Hi friend. Thank you for your purchase. It is your goal to satisfy our customers. Please let us know your shopping experience by writing a review or comment on the products that you bought. Have a great day. I will thank the Lord with all my heart. Psalm 9, verse 1. JAJM Merchandising. Thank you, JAJM Merchandising. Ang galing. Pumunta ako dun sa nila, company. Hindi ako napansin kasi busy sila. Or masyadong maaga yung punta ko. Ganun lang yun. Kaya mas maganda sa online na lang talaga. Sa shop. Shopee!